Got the ducks out in the garden today. I don't usually let my chickens free in my garden because they will eat all the vegetables. But if I set the ducks free in my garden, they go around and eat slugs. And they eat the seed heads off any of the weeds that are popping up around the garden, so they kind of help keep it a little cleared out for me around the back side where I can't get a mower. They'll go straight for the seeds. Brought them a little scrambled eggs out here to try, but so far they're more interested in just eating the weed seeds. Y'all are crazy. Need to get some more stall dry for their pen because we had rain nonstop for 2 days and it's a muddy mess in there. That's how we keep it dry when it's wet or snowy, is stall dry or straw. But they definitely need a new bag. You guys should eat those scrambled eggs I cooked for you. Your mom usually eats them. Maybe you don't know what it is yet. Get all the weed seeds. Good ducks. Oh, we got one eating the eggs now. You tell the others that it's good. Okay, Pecan's eating them. Okay, now we figured it out. Everybody's honed in on the eggs now. See, Mama, I knew you would eat it. You always eat the eggs. Look at her go. I'm gonna get out of here so they can eat in peace. They keep running from me.